Who are you? I am Pallavi Kesarwani. Who are you? I am a human. Who are you? Okay, I am a girl. Come on, I am asking, who are you? Okay, so I am a girl who loves to be independent and also who loves to talk to people. Good. Okay, now you are better. I'm once again asking, who are you? Come on, what should I say? We all struggle a lot when somebody asks us this question. Who are you? And we are not left with words, we are not left with sentences. We think, I am a girl, I am a human, we tell our name, we tell our simple things, that's it. What about our inner qualities? What about the qualities which we have inside us? We don't know. I don't know who am I. We need to find it out. Yes. So whenever the chance comes to describe a personality, we need to use some particular specific adjectives which we are going to learn in our today's lesson. So today we are going to not only focus, but we are going to learn more than 70 adjectives which we can use to describe ourselves or any other individual's personality. As you know, in my last video, I told you about how can you describe individual's appearance. Today, individual's personality. Let's begin. So if you think that you are a friendly person and you can talk to people easily, you can use following adjectives. Like, you can say kind, polite, friendly, sweet, warm. If I talk about opposite, on the contrary, we can use cruel, impolite, unfriendly, nasty, cold. Yes. Now quickly drop a comment in the comment section with the word which describes your personality. Let's move towards the second point, which is when you love to talk to others. So you can use following adjectives. Yes. So you can say talkative, communicative, outgoing, sociable, extrovert. But on the contrary, if a person who does not love to talk to people, that person is like shy, reserved, quiet, introvert, taciturn. Let's move towards the third point, which is if you love to live a disciplined life, you can use following adjectives, which are organized, disciplined, efficient, neat, tidy. On the contrary, the person who is not living a disciplined life at all, we can use disorganized, indisciplined, inefficient, clumsy, messy. Now please drop a comment if any of these words belongs to your personality. Let's move forward. So next point is, if you love the path of honesty, you can use following words. So the words are honest, truthful, sincere, frank. On the opposite, a person who is always lying, you can say dishonest, liar, insincere, deceitful. Do you think that any of these words belong to your personality? Drop a comment, make a sentence with it. If you think that your goals are clear with you, your goals are totally clear, you do not have any confusion in your mind, so you can use following words. So the words are confident, strong-willed, determined. On the contrary, if you think a person who is not at all clear with his goals, who is always confused, you can use these words to describe himself. So the words are unsure, weak-willed, undetermined. Let's move towards the next point, which is understands things quickly. Yes, if you think that you can understand anything easily, things you can grab easily, so that means you can understand things easily. So following words can be used to describe such kind of personality. Quick learner, intelligent, clever, bright, smart, comment. But on the opposite, the personality can be described as sluggish, weak, stupid, foolish, silly, We can also have some other qualities, like a person can be funny. So if a person who is funny, we can use following words. So the funny person can be amusing, witty, comical, hilarious, entertaining. Also, a person can be lazy, like for example, anyone who does not like to do any work, who is like always wants to take rest, do not love to do any kind of work. That person can be lazy. So we can use following words for a lazy person. We can say lazy, idle, sluggish, unambitious, couch potato. Couch potato is something different. So it's a simple and interesting word. This is my favorite one, couch potato. Other exceptional adjectives are shy, talkative, serious, sober, gloomy, depressed. Now please drop a comment in the comment section and mention all the words which belongs to your personality. Do not forget to leave the comment. Okay. Now at last I would like to describe my personality using the words which I told you. Let's go through it. So now if somebody asks me, yes, who are you? Then I will be confident to tell the answer. So I will answer like this. I am a girl who loves independence. By my nature, I think I am kind and sweet with others. I love to be communicative and I am determined towards my goal. So I can say I am a quick learner. But if I talk about my personal life, sometimes I love to be comical and couch potato when I am so tired. Have you understood what kind of personality I have? Let's share your personality also, okay? Thank you so much everybody for watching my video and for giving me support. Let's meet in the next video with some positive vibes. Till that, bye bye everyone. Take care. All the best.